Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where stories roll into the future, and legends never die. Today, we're diving into 2026, a year not just on the calendar, but a ticking point in global transformation. Buckle up, because what's coming is no ordinary ride. By 2026, the world won't look like what you remember. Electric cars, they're not futuristic anymore. They're everywhere. Highways echo with the silent hum of battery-powered beasts, and self-driving trucks dominate the freight lanes. Tesla, Rivian, and even some surprising newcomers from Asia and Europe are rewriting the rules of the road. But technology is only part of the story. The skies are different too. Drones aren't just toys or tools, they're our couriers, our street patrols, our flying assistants. In some cities, they even deliver your dinner while AI predicts what you'll want before you order. Speaking of AI, a broken bar, it's no longer just a tool. It's a partner in education. It's customizing learning paths in real time. In medicine, it's helping doctors diagnose faster and treat more precisely. In entertainment, AI isn't just behind the camera, it's writing the script. But here's the twist, 2026 may also be the year humanity starts asking, how much control is too much? And then there's space. NASA, SpaceX, and maybe a few billionaires we didn't expect, all racing to get boots back on the moon, and eyes locked on Mars. The dream of becoming an interplanetary species is closer than ever. It sounds like sci-fi, but in 2026, it feels inevitable. But here's the thing about legends, they're not just made of shiny tech and soaring rockets. 2026 is also shaping up to be a defining year for climate, for peace, for global unity or division. This is the crossroads. Will we choose cooperation or competition, green energy or greed, understanding or escalation? That's where Rolling Legends comes in, because we don't just talk about the future, we follow the trail of those bold enough to shape it. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let us know in the comments, what do you think 2026 will look like?